देखो जी, सारे कहते ने कि जिन्ने लाहौर नहीं वेख्या वो जमया ही नहीं, पर कुछ ये भी कहते ने जो लाहौर विच जमया है ओदे कोलों ते कदे दही भी नहीं जमया।
I'm really excited that we are here at Misaf and bringing Zindabad's world premiere here. No, Misaf has always been a South Asian film festival, and we always wanted that we should go to a South Asian festival because our audience essentially is focused towards South Asia, and the film appeals everybody across South Asia or all the countries because the story line is such that people can relate anywhere, wherever they are, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. It's a story which happens everywhere. So that's why we chose Misaf.
Which is the right festival to be, as you mentioned, in terms of South Asian perspective. If we talk about the movie Zindabad, would you call it a Urdu Punjabi movie or a Punjabi film or a Lahori film?
I think Lahori is much better. That's a much better word because, in terms of language, there are Urdu, Punjabi, English. It's mostly Punjabi, but it is more like Lahori, so everybody can understand it wherever you are. We have done that kind of screenings in different places, and people can understand completely. But I think Lahori is a very good word for it.
So we're talking about the Lahori and the Lahori culture. Well, that's what everybody is going to see, and as they say, "Jine Lahore nahi, wo kya, wo jamia nahi." Talk about the music. There is huge talent. We're talking about Sahar Ali Bagga, who has composed the music. Tell us about the music.
Well, the music of Zindabad is very, very special. Sahar Ali Bagga and the directors have both worked quite hard on it. And we have got Rahat Fateh Ali Khan and Arif Lohar and Abrarul Haq, and now the album is available on iTunes from yesterday.
I checked it out today.
Yeah. So it's very special music, very linked to the story, built into the narrative. So it's excellent.
Talking about the music and the story, so what was the link between Pani Da Bulbula and the movie? Because you released a song a couple of days ago on your Facebook.
Yeah, it's an old Pakistani song from 1962. So we bought the rights of it again, and Abrar sang it. Originally, it was sung by Yaqub Atif Saab. Now he is actually called Bulbula, Yaqub Atif Bulbula, because the song became so famous. So it's a quintessentially Pakistani song. When you see the film, you will find the link. What is the strong link? Because Pani Da Bulbula lyrics are also kind of rap lyrics, but they also talk about some very serious issues at the same time. It's a very nice song, but at the same time it has a lot of depth. So it is that way linked to the film.
Let's talk about the characters. The cast is entirely new, as I understand, but you have the versatile Nasiruddin Shah, who's been with the film, and we had heard while he was there at the shooting, he had kind of organized a session with the cast.
Yeah. Well, not at the time of the shooting, but actually before the film's shooting, he came specially to train these young boys. So there was a week-long workshop, and we are very happy and very thankful to Nasir Saab that he actually helped these new actors and trained them, and you can see the difference on the screen because a lot of the people who have seen the film, they say that they can't believe that these guys are doing the film for the first time. It looks like as if they have done this kind of thing before. So I think that also makes it very special, and the fact that these boys are actually from the same mohallas, that's also and a lot of them are very linked to the storyline. Mm-hmm. So I think that's also a very interesting experiment that we did, that we chose all these actors from these localities itself of Lahore, so they become very close. The characters are very close to the story. It's their own experiences, so that makes Zindabad special also.
So the film is up for release on 6th of September in Pakistan. Are there any plans to release the movie outside Pakistan as well?
Absolutely. We are in negotiations with distributors in North America and also in India and UK. So I think very soon people in Canada can also watch it.
Oh, that's good. So final question. Your team, the directors, the husband-wife duo, I believe.
Yeah.
you formed a team with them called Matila Films. Tell us about it.
Okay, Matila Films was established some years back, 10 years ago. There are two directors, Meenu Gaur and Farjad Nabi, and I'm the producer. And we have before that done a lot of documentaries under the banner of Matila Films and produced a lot of music also. So this company was always there for quite some time, and this is our first feature film.
I enjoyed Nasiruddin Shah, and I enjoyed seeing Lahore and all the music and the songs. It was a really good movie.
You'll be telling your friends about the movie?
For sure. It was really good.
The movie gets released in Lahore on 6th, so I probably...
I'll definitely make sure, and I'm sure she will make sure through Facebook, right? She's a big
Absolutely.
Facebook addict. So.
I liked the fact that it was in Punjabi.
Yeah, that's
I really did. I think the art direction was excellent. I think it was very authentic. It's one of those movies that you have to process.
And I think it's one of those movies which you don't call Punjabi, it's a Lahori movie, I would say.
I guess so. That's true. It's very Lahori.
Nasiruddin Shah was amazing. I loved his Punjabi, and the movie was very meaningful. Very good movie.
What about the music?
Music was little not used to it, but Rahat Fateh Ali Khan's music was amazing. Song was amazing.
Will you be recommending this movie to your friends?
Yeah, for sure. Lovely movie.
I think the movie was excellent, and it showed the reality of life, and it showed that how people from poor families have dreams, but it's not necessary that dreams are fulfilled. But it was a very good film, well acted, and Nasiruddin Shah is such a great actor, and the other actors also did very well. It was very natural actually, and I think it sent a great message, to people that life is really tough, and going abroad also from Pakistan is also not easy. Fateh Ali singer was very good, and he's very good actually, and the overall music also was very good and very different actually, and the way that the first song was very well done. I think it's a deep thought of movie, and a lot of hard work has gone in this movie, and I think everybody in the hall enjoyed the movie, so I'm sure all over people will enjoy this movie.
Very grateful to both Asman Arshad and Mosaic, as well as the producers of the film, for bringing Lahore to Mississauga. Honestly, bits and pieces of watching old Lahore literally takes you back. So they've done a fantastic job both with videography as well as the direction of the movie.
You're right, because when you look at it, it's not like it's a Punjabi film, it's more a Lahori film. It's like
is very
there was
much
Urdu,
Lahori.
there was Punjabi, there was everything.
Absolutely, and I actually grew up in Old Lahore. I'm a product of a little part of Lahore called Dharampura. And so if you grew up in Old Lahore, the culture is very much Old Lahore.
The performance, new cast, right?
No, I mean, Nasiruddin Shah actually surprised me. He plays a very good, we in Lahori term calls it kantuta. He plays a very good kantuta from an old Lahori background.
And I think this is his first Punjabi movie, so if you look at it this
Which is
way.
I laughed at his Punjabi here and there, but nonetheless, I think he did justice to his role.
Music,
Phenomenal. I mean, who doesn't like Arif Lohar or Rahat Fateh Ali Khan or Abrarul Haq? And I think both the composition as well as the words were beautiful, fantastic.
I think the best part about it, although it's a story, it's so true to life, and it's exactly what happens out there. So it kind of brings people to reality, and especially people sitting here who do not know what happens back home. So I think it's very, very interesting, and I think someone should get it to Canada. I think more people should watch it for sure.
so you'll be recommending your friends to...
Oh, definitely. I had quite a bit of friends in there, but I will recommend for more people, for sure. The music was fun. That's what it was.
It was a great movie. It depicts a real life in Pakistan, and I hope it goes on a wider release.
If you look at the cast, I mean, they were all young and new folks, and what are your comments about the acting?
It was very original, and I hope some of those actors get some bigger roles in some films.
Is it your first Pakistani movie that you've seen today?
Well, yes, actually it was, and it was very nice to see a movie that is not Bollywood and not dancing and music, and it was a movie about deeper issues, about the real Pakistani life. It was really, really, really inspiring.
So this is more of independent cinema, as you said, right? It's not the dancing around the
Flashy
trees and
Bollywood,
everything.
yeah.
So you think movies like these, the way these premieres are happening here, and the more and more independent cinema is coming, this should frequently be happening in Canada? More movies should come like these?
Well, let's hope so. I can imagine funding is issue, distribution is an issue, but let's hope somewhere, somehow, these films will find their way, and we will be able to see more of them.
You'll be telling your friends about this movie, the story?
Definitely, definitely, definitely. I'll be tweeting about it right now on my way home.